In this video, you will see how to set the unit in the project. In the beginning, when you open project, you can set up. If you forget, you can also set up the unit if you have already like this layout and units. Just press UN, you will see the window. Here length, if you change here, now you see mm. In your drawing already mm. I will change here to meter. From here and here decimal, for example 2. Click OK, apply. You see here change the unit automatically. Here also 3 meter 3.4. So like this, anytime you can change unit in the Revit. UN enter. I will make here again. If you want to make sample something meter and anything, it will click OK. OK, you will see here unit change. So like this, anytime you can change unit in your project. If you already create project in meter and now you want in centimeter, you can change. Or if you have meter, you want to millimeter, UN, click here, use here millimeter, click here coming mm automatically, or you can none. Okay, see here mm coming. Thank you so much.